Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you guys are doing wonderful. And today I'm going to shoot a viral video which is going viral in on all the platforms. आपको ये trend देखने को मिलेगा and it is a trend where they put on the red lipstick on their faces and फिर उसको blend करके they put the contouring और फिर उसको blend करके they give an effect of internal glow and एक finesse आता है उनके look में और वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है जैसे कि आप अंदर से आपकी skin इतनी ज़्यादा fresh और इतनी healthy है that you look like ripe apple. तो मुझे वो trend बहुत intrigue करता है और मुझे वो try करना है and I thought maybe I'll try it with you guys. So without wasting any more time, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's jump in. Basically इसमें they use the cream the products. So I'm going to use this lipstick. This is by Chanel and it's Rogue Coco, this one, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. And ये technique में you apply it on your cheeks and you just have to blend it with a sponge और फिर आप उसको उसके ऊपर इट्स बेसिकली रिवर्स जैसे हम बाद में लगाते हैं जो चीज़ वो हम पहले लगा रहे हैं. सो लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट एनी मोर टाइम एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट. आई माइट लुक वेरी फनी विच आई एंटिसिपेट पर यू आर हैबिचुअल टू वॉचिंग मी डू दीज थिंग्स. अगर यू हैव सब्सक्राइब तो लेट्स डू इट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट ऑन माई चीक बोन्स upwards, also on this area, and they applied little bit over here also. So now I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. So that's the blender I'm using. आप कोई भी क्रीम ब्लश यूज़ कर सकते हैं but I'm using a lipstick as I've seen mostly everybody using a lipstick only. So I'm using that only. एक रोज़ी लुक आ जाता है आपका, एक रोज़ी ग्लो आ जाता है. तो आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई इट बिकॉज वो बड़ा ही अमेजिंग लगता है. इफ़ यू आर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम यू मस्ट हैव सीन पीपल डूइंग इट ऑन देयर रील्स एंड ऑल्सो ऑन यूट्यूब. मैनी यूट्यूबर्स हैव ट्राइड इट. सो इट्स वेरी इंट्रीगिंग एंड मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा तो मैं भी ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ. ओके. So I do look funny but worth the good try अगर उसका result end में अच्छा आने वाला है तो. Now I'm going to contour. So the contour stick I'm using is by Wet n Wild, this one. इस साइड इसका ये contour है.
This is coming off very soon because from the starts of it,
I don't like very harsh contours.
Here it goes. I'm using this Doll Beauty
और मेरा
lipstick for
forehead
anyone that wants to
बहुत ज़्यादा
know.
बड़ा नहीं
Is
है
it
तो
deeper
ज़्यादा
red? I
forehead
thought
को
this would just work
confuse
better.
नहीं.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go for it, I guess.
ठीक है.
Like this with the red down her nose and then on her forehead, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh my god, you guys, I'm actually a little scared. I'm not gonna prime my face because I might have a feeling that this is coming off very soon because from the starts of it, yeah, I look like a god clown. For real, for real. Oh, you guys. I'm starting to look like a lot of
थोड़ा सा रेडनेस इसमें इसलिए आपको दिख रहा है बिकॉज ऑलरेडी द सेम स्पंज आई एम यूजिंग विद डिफरेंट साइड्स है. ब्लेंडिंग इट. यूजुअली दिस थिंग वी डू आफ्टरवर्ड्स बट इन दिस टेक्निक ये पहले करते हैं. अराउंड द नोज. डन. ओके. Now I'm going to apply my trusted MAC concealer under the eyes. I have massive under eye circles तो वो conceal करने के लिए. And I will use little bit corrector also because I have marks on my face. तो वो मैं करती हूँ अब. So I'm using that. For this you use your blender. It can be any blender from any company which you have your faith in. Real Techniques का भी अच्छा आता है sponge. तो you can choose from your choice of the brand And now I'm going to blend this. So let's blend this one first. Not putting a lot of pressure because I don't want to remove the product. I just want to make it even on the skin. It's blending well. काफ़ी हद तक मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स को उसने कंसील कर दिया अच्छे से. And now I'm going to apply the foundation. The foundation that I'm going to use is this Ban by Faces Canada. So the number that I'm using is Natural 02. Okay, so now I'm going to apply it. And I would like to see कि ये कितना penetrate करेगा और कितना वो blush वाला effect show करेगा मेरे face पे. तो let us see after the blending. Don't forget the neck. Now let's do the main part of blending it. So pulling my hair away or blending on the forehead. You can see जब मैंने forehead पे किया है, so this redness is showing, and that is what they did in the video which I saw. I will put the clip on the screen so that you can see what exactly I'm talking about. So there are many people who have tried it, and I'll just put one of those videos randomly. Now I'm blending here ताकि पता लगे कि असल में कितना के वो शो कर पाएगा. By the way, this is a damn beauty blender, तो make sure that you are using a damp one. Clearly it has concealed the excess redness. So that's what my face looks like अभी up close. You can see clearly कि थोड़ा सा एक I don't know whether the camera is picking it up or not. थोड़ा सा जैसे pinky undertone सा दिख रहा है on the skin. I have some spots on my face, and for that I've concealed it. But अगर आप देखें ध्यान से तो it's showing out. So I think it's a good technique. You can try it out. And just let me finish the whole thing, and then I'll show you the complete look. Just don't forget to set it with a powder because everything is just so creamy, so I don't want you to get greasy. So I'm just sharing that I'm going to set it with some powder. So I'm using a banana powder, and I'm just going to set under my eyes and around the face where I think I'm going to get greasy. So bear in mind when you are using creamy products, and since I'm an oily person, I might have to face the brunt of the skin type. So आप उसे set ज़रूर कर लें. So I'm just going to set it and do my eye makeup and show you the end product. I've completed my makeup and I've kept it neutral just so that you can see. You guys can see that there is naturally some like a flash of as if I'm blushing or something. It's that kind of a glow from within. I've just applied some highlighter so that it is very visible. बहुत in the face नहीं है, जितना red face पहले लग रहा था वैसा नहीं है. It's looking very nice. I like the look, barring all the marks because of the breakouts. I really like the whole idea of applying it reverse, and do give it a try. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Take very good care of yourself. Until next time, love you all. Bye bye.